Hello everyone. Today's topic is division of the polynomial, which is included or which is useful for the 8th standard scholarship, 8th standard for the regular studies. Even it is very useful for the standard 9 in polynomial lesson. So let's study some examples related with the division of the polynomial. So let's see the examples which is based on the division of the polynomial. First we'll start the examples based on the division of a polynomial by a monomial. Here I have written the first example. This polynomial we have to divide this by monomial. But these terms are not in proper order. It is not in the standard form. What is standard form? Standard form means to arrange the terms in the ascending order of the powers of the variables. म्हणजे हे powers variablesच्या powersच्या ascending order मध्ये जर terms arrange करून घेतल्या तर त्याला standard form असं म्हटलं जातं. तर इथे मी standard form लिहिला. This is a standard form and we have to divide this by 8x, which is a monomial. So this is my dividend and 8x is a divisor. So let's study. 8x divisor I'll write here 24x raised to 7 plus 8x cube minus 16x. These we have to divide by 8x. Now to get the quotient 8x, this first term of this polynomial we are going to divide by 8x. So here 8x should be multiplied by which polynomial? We will get the answer 24x raised to 7. In regular division we say the tables, we find out the multiples and then we do the division. म्हणजे 8x ला कोणत्या नंबरने मल्टिप्लाय केलं और विच पॉलिनॉमियल कोणत्या पॉलिनॉमियल मल्टिप्लाय केलं तर आपल्याला 24x raised to 7 मिळेल. ते आपण चेक करूया. 8 3s are 24 असतं. So 8 3s are 24. Here x and here x raised to 7. So here to balance the equation I need x raised to 6. X raised to 1, x raised to 6. It will become x raised to 7. So first quotient is 3x raised to 6. So 3x raised to 6. What is the product? 24x raised to 7. Hence आता subtraction will, because of subtraction ह्याचे जे प्लस साइन आहे ते चेंज इनटू माइनस साइन. पहिली टर्म कॅन्सल होईल. 24 minus 24 it will become 0. उरलेल्या टर्म्स आपण खाली घेऊया. इथे 0 येईल. इथे 8x cube minus 16x. पुन्हा एकदा सेम प्रोसेस. 8x cube we have to divide by 8x. Means 8x डिवायझरला कोणत्या पॉलिनॉमियलने मल्टिप्लाय करायचं की जेणेकरून 8x क्यूब मिळेल. इथे 8 दॅट मीन्स 8 1 जा 8. इथे x आहे, इथे x क्यूब आहे. टू बॅलन्स द इक्वेशन आय शुड मल्टिप्लाय दिस बाय x स्क्वेअर. म्हणजे दुसरा कोएफिशियंट आपल्याला मिळाला 1x स्क्वेअर. नाउ we will write here 8x cube minus sign. Because of minus sign it will change into minus. This will be cancelled 0 and this term we will take it down minus 16x. Now we will divide minus 16x. Same thing, take divisor 8x. 8x divisor घेऊया. 8x ला कोणत्या पॉलिनॉमियलने मल्टिप्लाय करावं लागेल. then we'll get the answer minus 16x. To balance the equation 8 how many is 16? 8 2s are 16 but negative 2 because answer has negative sign. x the variables are balanced on both the side. दोन्ही बाजूला variables समान आहेत. मग ह्यांचा तिसरा क्वोशंट हा -2 निघाला. इथे -16x मायनस साइन मुळे हे साइन चेंज प्लस मध्ये होईल आणि रिमाइंडर 0. इथे 8x हा डिवायझर 24x raised to 7 plus 8x cube minus 16x हा डिव्हिडंड झाला. quotient 3x raised to 6 plus 1x square minus 2 quotient, and remainder is 0. Let's go for the next example. Second example, 2y square divisor, dividend 2y cube plus 4y square plus 3. इट्स इन स्टँडर्ड फॉर्म. मुळातच हे काय आहे, स्टँडर्ड फॉर्म मध्ये आहे. इथे 3, 2, 1 म्हणजे पॉवर्स ऑफ द व्हेरिएबल्स इज इन असेंडिंग ऑर्डर. सो इट्स इन स्टँडर्ड फॉर्म. नाउ वी विल फाइंड आउट द क्वेश्चन्स बाय डूइंग द रफ कैलकुलेशन. First we will divide 2y cube by 2y square. So 2y square divisor should be multiplied by which quotient? Here it is divisor. हा divisor असतो. त्याला multiply by quotient. तो quotient आपण find out करणार आहोत. Is equal to आपल्याला काय मिळतं? तर dividend मिळतं. सो इथे डिव्हिडंड काय घेतला आपण? 2y क्यूब जर असेल तर इथे क्वोशंट काय असावा, जेणेकरून 2y स्क्वेअरला 2 या क्वोशंटने मल्टिप्लाय केल्यावरती 2y क्यूब मिळेल. वी हॅव टू बॅलन्स दिस इक्वेशन. दोन्ही बाजूला इक्वेशन हे बॅलन्स झालं पाहिजे. 2 2 दोन्ही साईडला 2 आहे म्हणजे इथे आलं 1 जा 2 1 जा 2. इथे y स्क्वेअर आहे, इथे y क्यूब आहे. बॅलन्स दिस इक्वेशन वी नीड y. एक y राहिला तो मी दिला म्हणजे फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन आला आपला 1y 1y. इथे 2y क्यूब त्यांचा प्रॉडक्ट हा 2y क्यूब तो मी इथे लिहिला. मायनस बिकॉज ऑफ मायनस इट विल बी कॅन्सल. पहिली टर्म कॅन्सल होईल. उरलेल्या टर्म्स खाली घेऊया. 4y स्क्वेअर प्लस 3. Now we have to divide to 4y square. So to get the, again I will take the dividend, I will take divisor, multiply by quotient is equal to 4y square आलं पाहिजे. So 2 2s are 4, 2 2s are 4. इथे y square इथे y square म्हणजे दुसरा क्वोशंट आला only 2. Second quotient is only 2. So plus 2. What is the multiplication? 4y square. Because of minus sign, sign will change. And this term will be 0. 4y square minus 4y square, it will become 0. And remainder, there is 3. Example. It's in standard form. So 7x cube, 21x raised to 4. Minus 14x square plus 7x. Now we will divide this first term 21x raised to 4. म्हणजे आपल्याला product 21x raised to 4 हवा. So this divisor should be multiplied by which number? So 7x raised to 3 multiplied by which polynomial? Then we will get the answer 21x raised to 4. So balance the equation. 7 3s are. So 7 3s are. Coefficient is balanced. Coefficient balance झाला. आता variables बघूया. इथे x cube आहे, इथे x raised to 4 आहे. To balance it I need 1x. So 3x is the first coefficient. Sorry, 3x is the first quotient. So 3x. Product is 21x raised to 4. Subtraction. Plus sign will change into minus. 21x raised to 4. 21x raised to 4. It will be cancelled. Answer will be 0. उरलेल्या terms खाली minus 14x raised to square minus 14x square plus 7x. Now here we have got minus 14x square. If you observe or if you compare with this, it is x cube and here x square. That means this divisor is greater than this number. When the remainder is smaller than the divisor, then we cannot divide it. When we can divide any equation or any number if it would be bigger than the divisor, bigger than its factor. So x raised to 2, it is a smaller than this. So we cannot divide it further. So this would be the remainder of this example. Next example, this is in the standard form. So we will write 6x raised to 5 minus 4x raised to 4 plus 8x cube plus 2x square. And divisor is 2x square. Now we will find out the quotients. First we have to divide 6x raised to 5. So 2x square, I will take the divisor, multiply by the quotient to get the first term. That means it is a 6x raised to 5. 2x square la by which polynomial? 2x square we should multiply by which polynomial to get the answer 6x raised to 5. So balance the equation. 2 3 is here x square and here x raised to 5. So here x raised to 3 because 2 plus 3 is equal to x raised to 5. So 3x cube would be first quotient. So 6x raised to 5 minus, because of minus it will change into minus, it will cancel आणि हा 0 होईल. उरलेल्या टर्म्स खाली घेऊया. minus 4x raised to 4 plus 8x cube plus 2x square. आता पुन्हा एकदा डिवायझर घ्यायचा आहे 2x square. डिवायझरला कोणत्या पॉलिनॉमियलने मल्टिप्लाय केलं तर ही फर्स्ट टर्म मिळेल. मीन्स minus 4x raised to 4. बॅलन्स करा इक्वेशन. इथे 2 आहे, इथे -4 आहे, म्हणजे 2 मल्टिप्लाय बाय -2. 2 मल्टिप्लाय बाय 2 2 जा 4 निगेटिव्ह 4. x स्क्वेअर इथे x raised to 4 आहे, म्हणजे उरले किती x स्क्वेअर. सो बॅलन्स झालं इक्वेशन. तुम्ही ते टॅली करू शकता. सो सेकंड क्वेश्चन इज -2x square. Then I'll get the product -4x raised to 4. हे आपण क्वेश्चन अशा पद्धतीने फाइंड आउट करतोय की जेणेकरून आपल्याला ही पहिली टर्म मिळेल. बरोबर की नाही. मग त्या पद्धतीने जे क्वेश्चन्स येतील, जो पॉलिनॉमियल येईल तो आपला काय झाला क्वेश्चन झाला. मायनस प्लस मध्ये चेंज होईल. ही टर्म कॅन्सल होईल. 0 उरलेल्या टर्म्स खाली घेऊया. 8x cube plus 2x square. आता 8x cube ही टर्म आपल्याला मिळवायची. तर परत एकदा डिवायझर घेते. 2x square मल्टिप्लाय बाय विच पॉलिनॉमियल. कोणत्या पॉलिनॉमियलने मल्टिप्लाय करायचं. कुठली टर्म हवी आहे 8x cube. तर 2 4 जा 8. इथे x स्क्वेअर आहे, इथे x क्यूब आहे, म्हणजे एक x कमी पडतोय तो इथे लिहिला, म्हणजे 4x काय आला तिसरा क्वेश्चन. तो इथे 8x क्यूब प्लस आहे, बिकॉज ऑफ मायनस हा मायनस होऊन जाईल. सबस्ट्रॅक्शन, ही टर्म कॅन्सल होते. 0 आणि उरलेली टर्म आपण खाली घेतो 2x स्क्वेअर. 2x square 2x square very simple. 2x square multiplied by 1 is equal to 2x square. म्हणजे आता इथे तिसरा क्वेश्चन, म्हणजे इथे आपल्याला पुढचा क्वेश्चन हा +1 मिळेल. 2x square आणि रिमाइंडर इज 0. नेक्स्ट एक्झाम्पल. 25m raised to 4 minus 15m cube plus 10m plus 8. And this we have to divide by 5m cube. Now we will find out the quotient for this. So first we will divide this term, that is 25m raised to 4. We will take the divisor 5m cube. This multiplied by which polynomial, then we will get the first term, that means 25m raised to 4. Balance the equation. Here 5 and here 25. 5 5s are 25. I have balanced the coefficients. Now think about the variable. Here m raised to 3 and here m raised to 4. So to balance the equation, I need here m. That means my first quotient is 5m. So I'll write it here 5m. Then what is the product? I have got minus 25 m raised to 4. It has plus sign, it will change into minus. Subtract, when you subtract it, it will become 0. Then remaining terms we will take it down. So minus 15 m cube plus 10m plus 8. Now we will find out the next quotient. To find out next quotient, I will consider this term now. आता आपण ही term बघूया. So again divisor 5m cube multiplied by which quotient or which polynomial is equal to, I'll get the answer minus 15 m cube. Balance the equation. 5 3s are 15 but negative 3. So 3s are m cube, it is already balanced. So next quotient is minus 3. So I'll get it minus 15 m cube. Change the sign. This will be cancelled. It will become 0. Next term I will take it down. 10m plus 8. If you observe now, the divisor's degree highest power of the variable is 3. Degree of this remain terms, it is 1. So it is smaller than this divisor. ह्याची डिग्री ही ह्याच्यापेक्षा divisor पेक्षा smaller आहे. That means these become the smaller term than as compared to the divisor. So here this is the remainder. Next example, 15y raised to 4 plus 10y cube minus 3y square. It should be divided by 5y square. We'll find out the quotient now one by one. Here first term is 15y raised to 4. So 5y square multiplied by which polynomial, which expression, then we'll get the answer 15y raised to 4. 15y raised to 4. Balance the equation. Y 5 3s are 15. So 5 3s are 15. Y square, so here y square is needed. So 3y square is our first quotient. 3y square. So here 15y raised to 4. Minus plus will turn into minus. It will cancel, it will become 0. Next term, it is down. 10y cube minus 3y square. So here again we'll divide 10y cube by 5y square. So here I need 5y square multiplied by which number, which factor, then I'll get the 10y cube. 5 2s are 10. 5 2s are 10. Y square and here y cube. So to balance it, I have to take 1y. So 2y is the second quotient. So I'll get the product 10y cube. Subtract, plus sign will change into minus. 10y cube, it will be cancelled with each other. It will become 0. Next term would be minus 3y square. It would be down. Here, now we will take it once again. 5y square multiplied by which factor? Then I'll get the answer minus 3y square. To find out the minus 3, I need here minus 3. So 5, here I'll multiply this 5y square by 3 upon 5 and negative 3 upon 5. If I'll multiply this by negative 3 upon 5, my negative 3 upon 5, then 5 will be cancelled with 5 and minus 3 will be left. Here y square, it is balanced equations by the variables. So minus 3 upon 5 would be the next quotient. So I'll write it here, minus 3y square. Negative will become positive and here you will get the remainder 0. Next example, I will write it down. Here x square is a divisor. 5x raised to 4 minus 3x cube plus 4x square plus 2x minus 6. We will divide it. X square, take a divisor, multiply this by which polynomial, then we'll get the first factor, first term, 5 into x raised to 4. 5 into x raised to 4. So here to balance it I need 5 and x square. So x square it will become x raised to 4. So 5x square would be the first quotient. Here I will get 5x raised to 4. Negative plus will turn into minus. First term will be cancelled. Remaining term I am going to take it down. So minus 3x cube plus 4x square plus 2x minus 6. Now check the first term again. Here x square multiply by which polynomial? I'll get the first term 3. Balance it. I need here minus 3. So because there is it here minus 3 x is needed. So second quotient minus 3x, product minus 3x cube, minus will change into plus, it will be cancelled, remaining terms would be down. 4x square plus 2x minus 6. Again to find out the next quotient, x square multiplied by which polynomial, we will get the answer 4x square. याला कशाने मल्टिप्लाय केलं तर आपल्याला आन्सर 4x स्क्वेअर मिळेल. तर इथे 4 ने मल्टिप्लाय केलं तर 4 मल्टिप्लाय बाय x स्क्वेअर आय विल गेट द आन्सर 4x स्क्वेअर. सो नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन, पुढचा क्वेश्चन हा 4 झाला. हियर आय विल गेट 4x स्क्वेअर minus plus will change into minus and it will be cancelled. Remaining term we will take it down. Degree of this polynomial, ह्याची डिग्री काय झाली 1 and what is the degree of this? It is 2. ह्याची डिग्री झाली 2, ह्याची डिग्री आहे 1 which is smaller than the divisor. So this is our remainder. We cannot divide it further. So in this way students we have seen the division of the polynomial, means polynomial we have divided by the monomial. So I hope you have understood all these examples.